Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable print screen key on your Windows 11 machine. For that, you need to download and install PowerTools on your PC. If you have not yet installed, then I will also provide details. For that, first click on the Start button and type here CMD. Then right click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Here you need to copy and paste one command that you can find from this video description. This command will automatically download our tools from GitHub website that is officially made by Microsoft, so you don't have to worry about this. This will download the latest version of PowerTools on your PC, and through PowerTools you can disable your print screen key on your keyboard. If you don't want to use this command, then you can also search for PowerTools on Google search engine and install 64-bit version on your PC. Both ways will work for you to install PowerTools on your Windows 11 machine. Until it downloads and install on your PC, I show you through GitHub website how you can download this PowerTools application. So you need to open any browser on your PC and then open Google search engine. Then type PowerTools and on the GitHub link click. Then on the right side you will see latest one. Click on it. Then scroll down and you will find PowerTools setup 64-bit. Click on this one link. It is around 167 MB. This will download it on your PC, and you can also install PowerTools on your PC through this one setup file. If command prompt takes longer, then it is helpful to install it through GitHub website directly. and you can see on the screen it's trying to install our Toys application on our PC. and and on my PC, Power Toys application has been successfully installed. Now I can disable print screen key on my keyboard. So now search for Power Toys application on your PC and open this application. Once the application is opened on your PC, on the left select Keyboard Manager. On the right, I have already disabled, so I just erase it and show you from beginning. So you you will see like this screen. Here you need to remap a key. You need to remap your print screen key. For that, click on this one remap a key icon and then click on plus icon. Here select print screen. Select print screen and on the right select type as disable. It will be at the top. Select disable and click OK. Click continue anyway, and you will see after mapping print screen to disable, you will see something like this, print screen to disable. Then you can close the Power Toys application, and now your print screen key will no longer work on your Windows 11 machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video and it is helpful. Then like, share and comment on my video. Thank you. Bye.